Look, if you've been following today's San Diego housing market, you know two of the top issues that we're facing right now are inflation and mortgage rates, right? In this video, we'll take a look at how inflation and the rising mortgage rates are impacting the San Diego real estate market and where the experts are saying rates and inflation will go from here. Hey guys, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you'd like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just visit the link in the description below and apply now. Okay, so let's get into it. Inflation and the housing market. This year, inflation reached a high that hasn't been seen in over 40 years. For the average consumer, you're probably felt a pinch at the gas pump or at the grocery store, am I right? And if you've been planning on buying a home in San Diego, inflation most likely has impacted the ability to save money for your down payment. While the Federal Reserve is working hard to lower inflation, the August data shows that the inflation rate was still way higher than they expected. This news has impacted the stock market, and it's fueled conversations about a recession. It's also played a role in the Federal Reserve's decision to raise the federal funds rate just last week. Okay, so in this recent article at Bankrate, it says, let's see here, and now the Fed has raised rates again, announcing yet another 3/4 point hike on September 21st. The last time it raised rates by as much as the multiple meetings in a year was in the 1980s. And why do they do that? It says here that the hikes are designed to cool an economy that has been on fire since rebounding from the coronavirus recession of 2020. Look, guys, the Fed's actions don't directly dictate what happens with the mortgage rates, but their decisions have contributed to the intentional cooldown in the housing market. So check out this article from Fortune magazine. It says, as the Federal Reserve moved into inflation fighting mode, financial markets quickly put upward pressure on mortgage rates. Those elevated rates, which topped out at 6.28% in June, coupled with sky-high home prices, threw cold water on the housing boom. So what about the impact on rising mortgage rates? Over the past few months, mortgage rates have fluctuated in light of growing economic pressures, right? So look, according to Freddie Mac, the average 30-year fixed rate mortgage was above 6%. Look, mortgage rates haven't been as high as they are today for over a decade, since back here in 2008 and 2009. The mortgage rate increases this year are the big reason why buyer demand's pulled back in the recent months. So basically, as rates and home prices have gone up, buying a home in San Diego has become less and less affordable. In fact, many buyers have actually been priced out of the market. Therefore, home sales are slowing down, and the inventory of homes for sale in San Diego is actually growing as a result. So where are the experts saying rates and inflation are going to go from here? Moving forward, both of these factors, they're going to continue to impact the San Diego housing market. In fact, there's another article I want to show you from CNET that puts this relationship between inflation and mortgage rates in the very simple terms. Check this out. Okay, here we are at CNET. If we just scroll down just a little bit here, it says, as a general rule, when inflation is low, mortgage rates tend to be lower, and when inflation is high, rates tend to be higher. It's really as simple as that. Sam Cater, a chief economist at Freddie Mac, has this to say about where rates may go from here. Okay, he says, mortgage rates remain volatile due to the tug of war between inflationary pressures and a clear slowdown in economic growth. The high uncertainty surrounding inflation and other factors will likely cause rates to remain variable. Look, rising inflation and higher mortgage rates have had a clear impact on our housing market, right? And while there's no way to say with certainty where mortgage rates will go from here, there is something you can do to stay informed. Simply subscribe to our channel so you can keep a pulse on what's happening today, so you can better understand what the experts are projecting. And when you think you're ready to make a move, just reach out to us and we can help protect your family and your finances through the home sale process. Again, my name is Jesse Morrison, and we have a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. And if you'd like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just visit the link in the description below and apply now. Okay, I look forward to helping.